I can play cricket. I am able to play cricket. I can swim. I am able to swim. I can catch the train. I am able to catch the train. I can create the videos. I am able to create the videos. If you see these sentences, then you will find that able to phrasal verb and the can modal verb are used to show the capability or ability to complete a certain task. Then what is exactly the difference between these two terms? Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I'm going to talk about these two terms, and today I'm tell you what is the difference between able to phrasal verb and the can modal verb, and what are the scenarios where able to and the can is used. So without wasting time, let's get started with this video. Able to. Able to is the phrasal verb which is used to show the capability or ability to perform a particular task. Able to phrasal verb implies external factors such as external skills, external resources, and the circumstances. Able to phrasal verb can be used in any particular tenses. It means we can use this able to phrasal verb in 12 tenses. That's right. We can use it in the 12 tenses. So let's have a look on few examples to understand it better. I am able to play cricket. She was able to catch the train yesterday. He could able to finish that project. She was able to catch the train. Now let's focus on one example. She was able to catch the train. It means she catched that train yesterday. However, someone might have helped her to catch the train, or someone might have helped her to reach on time on the platform, and that is why she catched that train yesterday. So that is what the external factor or external resources helped her to catch that particular train. For example, another example I would say, I was able to write effectively paper in the examination hall. It means the environment present in the examination was suitable for me to write the paper effectively. It means the external factors, that is the circumstances, help me to write that paper or to do that particular task effectively. Now you can understand that where to use the able to term, where the external resources or the skills or the circumstances help us to perform particular task, then we can say that, or in that particular situation we can use the able to phrasal verb. I am able to record videos now because the situation or the present situation helped me to record this video. I cannot record this video the areas where the noise is available, or I'm able to play cricket. Someone or the trainer helped me to play a cricket. It means the external factor or external resources help me to play a cricket. Okay, so moving ahead to the can modal verb. Can is the modal verb which shows the permission or the ability to perform a certain task, or can only used in the present tense. It cannot be used in any tenses. For example, I can play cricket. It means the can implies the intrinsic factor. It means in order to perform a particular task, I have enough abilities or enough skill present inside me, and which with the help of that I can perform or I can do that particular task. It means I can play cricket. I'm confident that I have enough skill to play a cricket effectively. I can create a poem. It means I have that capability or that skill present inside me. With the help of that, I can create that poem. I think now you have got an overview where to use the able to phrasal verb and where to use the can modal verb. Still, if you have any doubt regarding that, then let me know in the comment. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.